How to enable or disable press and hold for right-clicking in Windows 11. Managing touchscreen gestures can make or break your Windows experience. Let's walk through how to enable or disable the press and hold gesture for right-clicking on touch-enabled devices in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why this setting matters. On desktops and laptops, a simple right-click opens a context menu filled with useful options. Touchscreen users can achieve the same result by pressing and holding on the screen. It's a clever feature for accessibility, but not everyone benefits from it. For artists, kiosk setups, or shared environments, disabling this gesture can prevent accidental right-clicks and improve consistency across devices. How to enable or disable the gesture. There are a few ways to manage this setting. First, through the control panel. Open the control panel, go to Hardware and Sound, Pen and Touch, and select Press and Hold. Click Settings, then either check or uncheck Enable Press and Hold for right-clicking. Click OK and Apply to confirm. This change applies immediately and affects only the current user. Next, for advanced users or IT administrators, you can make this change through the Registry Editor. Navigate to H key, Current User, Software, Microsoft, WISP, Touch, and create a D word named touchmode_hold. Set it to 0 to disable or 1 to enable press and hold. Restart or sign out to apply the change. Finally, you can automate this setting using PowerShell, ideal for multi-device or enterprise environments. Use set item property commands to toggle the setting and include them in deployment or group policy scripts. Important considerations. Check whether you're configuring this setting for pen input or touch input, since some devices handle these separately. Some creative or drawing applications may override system gesture settings, so it's best to confirm behavior within each app. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing press and hold settings for right-clicking in Windows 11, linked in the description below.